Hello friends, my name is Harshal. Welcome to my YouTube channel I Learned with Harshal. In this video, I will be showing you how to download, install all-in-one Python software. At the end, I will show you by running single Python program. So let's get started. Open your browser, then write Anaconda download in search engine. Now it will load. As you can find here, there is an individual edition here available. So now click on individual edition. It will load the websites, allow the website to load properly. Then go down till the end. Go down again. Now here you find for Windows, for Mac operating system and for Linux. So there are two download available for Windows, that is 32-bit and 64-bit. So as I am having a 32 bits, I will be clicking on 32 bits. So after clicking on this, you can find that the download is getting started. Now choose the folder where you want to save and click on save button. Now here you can see that the download got started. So after download completes, just go to your destination folder and you can find your software and click open. Now click on run. It will get started to install proper Anaconda. So next, I agree, next, and choose the folder where you want to install. Now next, again next, this and just click on finish. Open your start menu. Right here, Anaconda Navigator. Here it is, click on it. It will take some time. It is initializing. So click on Remind Me Later. Here you can find that there is Jupyter Notebook, Spider, as well as VS Code, Orange 3. Here also an R Studio where you can perform R programming. So we will launch here first a Jupyter Notebook. First we will execute one code in a Jupyter Notebook. So here we click on New and Python 3. So here we will first execute a string print hello world. Now we will click on run. It will execute a program. Here you can see that hello world got printed. Now we will execute the same program in VS. So launch. So for Python program, we will create one new folder and name it any name, but write py. It is mandatory for the Python program. So we will execute the same print hello world. Then we will click on run. it will execute a program. So let's see. So here you can see that hello world got executed. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.